my mom's computer monitor. It was originally meant to be a TV monitor, but our TV like screen, not monitor. My mom bought it for my grandma, and our computer monitor went out a couple of months ago. So about a year ago, it went out. So my mom, I wanted this big screen. Instead of going out and buying a new computer monitor, I wanted this little flat screen right here because I like the screen in the Mac. And since I couldn't really afford a Mac, I decided to just use the big screen off the TV. So yeah, it's not a big screen, it's like a 22-inch, but yeah. I decided to use this screen off the TV. So, our old TV went out, which was a Zenith, and most Zeniths, the TV brand Zenith, if it goes out, it like gets lines on the screen and stuff like that. And so my mom and I, when we'd want to watch TV, we'd always have to go in the den to watch TV, and we could never like come back in here into our bedroom and watch TV. So my mom came up with this grand idea that's really cool. So first of all, this is the computer. So basically just a computer. Typical computer. So yeah. And then what you do is you hit input. You go, by the way, the box is down there. You go but TV. You go input. You go channel right here. You go all the way up to TV. And you hit input again. And yeah, there's the DirecTV monitor. Switching around. I think I probably had it on a channel that I didn't have it on. I probably had it on a channel that I was not subscribed to. So yeah. Then I'm going to go to that, and this is basically the TV. So yeah, this is how cool it is. I think it's super cool. So you just turn it on, and it's just the TV. The reason it didn't work when I turned it on is because I had it on a channel that wasn't on our TV plan. That's why it was messing up. So yeah. Yeah, sometimes when you have it on a TV channel that's not on your plan, it kind of like does a little DirecTV icon and it stays there. So yeah, but this is a channel that we get, but I don't really watch the Dr. Oz show. I just wanted to turn it on just to show you guys how it does. It's really cool. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry it was really quick, but like I said, my iPad is running out of space, so I just wanted to make this really quick. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.